Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we create a scroll-based card animation using GSAP ScrollTrigger. The cards come from the right side of the screen. As we scroll, each card moves into position. At the same time, the images animate smoothly. The design is also responsive and works well on all screen sizes. Let's get started. Let's begin with the HTML. Inside the main section, we have a card container. This is used to position the cards. Each card contains text content and an image. Inside the text content, we add a number, a title, and a description. And each title has its own color. The same structure is repeated for all cards. Now let's move on to the CSS. In this part, we style the elements and prepare them for the GSAP animations. We set the card size using these variables. The section covers the full height of the screen. We center the card container. This outline is only for showing the position of the cards. Both the container and the cards use the same size. We also center the cards horizontally and vertically. All cards are stacked on top of each other. We align the text and image side by side. They are also aligned at the bottom. We create a square shape for the image. We hide the parts of the image that overflow. This shadow adds depth to the image. The text takes the remaining space. It stays aligned to the left. This area also has a left border. We add space between the border and the text. There is a large number at the top right of the card. It has a very light color. We use uppercase letters for the title. We also adjust the letter spacing. Now we add media queries to make the layout responsive. We resize the card container and the cards. We adjust the spacing for the card, image, and text. The card layout switches to a vertical layout. We make the image smaller and center it horizontally. The text is also centered. We also remove the left border. Instead, we add a border to the top of the text area. Now we make small layout adjustments. We remove the outline because we don't need it. The cards are initially invisible, which prevents a flash before GSAP runs. Now let's move on to JavaScript. In this part, we control how the cards enter the screen and animate smoothly based on the scroll position. We add the CDN links to use GSAP and ScrollTrigger. This plugin enables ScrollTrigger animations. This selects all card elements. Each card starts outside the screen on the right. We also make them visible. Now we create a timeline with ScrollTrigger. We target the main section for this animation. It starts when the top of the section reaches the top of the viewport. We set the scroll distance based on the number of cards. Pin keeps the section fixed while the animation plays. The animation is faster on smaller screens than on a desktop. Now we animate each card one by one. We target the image inside each card. We adjust the animation for smaller screen. Each card gets its own timeline. It shifts slightly to the right, creating a stacked card effect. We enable Force 3D for better performance on mobile. The image moves slightly upward except on smaller screens. It also scales up slightly. The image animation starts 1 second before the card animation finishes. Each card animation is added to the main timeline. We add a small delay between the cards. This prevents all cards from appearing at the same time. And there you have it. We used GSAP ScrollTrigger to create a scroll-based card animation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative projects. Thanks for watching.